Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Today is Saturday, December 14th, and we are currently parked to go see the Skydiving Santas here in Cocoa Beach, which we're really excited for. So we're going to go head there because we are a little bit late to seeing the start of it. So we're going to go watch whatever's left of it, and I'm going to make a beautiful montage for you here. So we just made it home from Skydiving Santas in Cocoa Beach. It was so fun. We got to watch quite a few different drops, and I think we probably saw at least 20 skydivers. What do you think, 20, 25? And some of them were really high up, and it was really interesting. That was our first time going and our first time hearing of it, so actually getting to go was really fun. Now that we're home, we're going to relax for a bit because we are tired from the sun, from walking pretty far, because we parked pretty far away from it. And we're going to finish what we started this morning, which was Star Wars Episode 7. And we got about halfway in that, and we're going to finish that, take a break, and we do have, hopefully, to go see the boat show tonight. The light up boat show, you know, like a Christmas parade sort of setup. And hopefully that'll be really fun. So I will keep you guys in the loop, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching all the skydivers like we did. I'm sure I made a cute little adventure montage of that. It was really hard to film because we were looking like straight up, plus the sun was so bright, but it was so fun and I'm glad we went. So we just made it home from the boat light show. It was absolutely so much fun. I cannot believe that it was one, half an hour long, and two, there were so many boats. Like, there were so many. I mean, I didn't get them all on camera, but you guys saw a good chunk of them. And Sam also filmed a bunch of clips for me on my iPhone, which really helped because sometimes this one didn't focus well if I left it. So, you know how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of those and seeing the Skydiving Santas today. I think we're officially in the Christmas spirit, even though our, apartment's been decorated for a while. I did that at the beginning of December. It's starting to feel like Christmas, which is good, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys are excited for tomorrow's vlog. But I need to end this one here, even though it's only 8:30, because I need to edit it before tomorrow, because I am bright and early to go to Universal Orlando, and that should be really, really fun. And hopefully we get to ride the new Harry Potter ride, Hagrid's Magical Motorbike Adventure. I think that's the full title of it, but we haven't ridden it, and we're really hoping we get to, and we'll be rope dropping that tomorrow. Now, just for preface, they don't let you film most of the rides, so I apologize that I won't be able to, but I'll try to use my phone to get some clips on some of the rides I can, and then also be sure to update you guys between the rides. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 14. Really, really into the Christmas spirit now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too, because it was just so much fun for me and Sam to go do some really, really fun things. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!